Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Queso blanco. Mild and slightly salty, queso blanco is popular for cooking and snacking. It's often used as a topping for enchiladas and empanadas or as a filling for chicken breasts, peppers, enchiladas and burritos. 21 September 2005.
Take our lead.
Monterey Jack cheese. Seeing as how this is a Tex-Mex recipe, we are going for Monterey Jack cheese. If you're looking for a more authentic Mexican-style enchilada, you could use a Manchego cheese, which grates and melts nicely for enchiladas. 19 February 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Queso. What kind of cheese should I use for queso? To get that classic Mexican restaurant queso blanco, use white American cheese. I also mixed in a small amount of mozzarella to enhance the texture and flavor. You could also mix in pepper jack, Monterey Jack, or another type of cheese instead of mozzarella. 1 December 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.